The goal of the infographic outreach strategy is to get featured on blog posts relevant to your infographic. For example, we have an infographic about how to write a press release, and we would like to pitch it to be embedded in other relevant articles such as this guide on MailChimp. Let's see how Respona can help you with finding these opportunities. There are really only 3 fields that you need to fill in. Start by pasting a link to your infographic. Next, you're going to drop your target keywords in the next one. We recommend pasting 3 to 5 or using AI keyword suggestions to come up with more ideas for you. They will be used to set up your search and find potential infographic placements. Then you will write a compelling description for your infographic. For example, our infographic showcases that the structure of a successful press release using an example that helped us get featured on Forbes. Hit use this template to create the campaign. Your email sequence is already complete based on your inputs on the previous screen, but let's spice up the default template to increase our chance of success by avoiding spam words, adding an unsubscribe option, and setting a friendly follow-up timer to 5 days instead of 7. Let's also add an icebreaker variable. It will automatically generate unique personalizations for each of the opportunities in your campaign and increase your reply rates. Now, click Next Step and check over your automation settings. Respona has already pre-configured your search strings to look for relevant blog posts. Press Continue to apply some of the SEO filters. Click Continue again and you'll see that the contact search is already set up for you. Respona will automatically seek out the content and SEO managers along with other relevant decision makers of the websites that you want to get links from. The next setting relates to AI personalization. Here, you can provide additional instructions and prompts for your AI variables. We, for example, like to keep the reading level at around a 5th grade level and stick to short sentences with a minimal punctuation. Let's also enable the search to become recurring every couple weeks or so. This will automatically rerun the search, topping off your campaign with fresh opportunities on autopilot. Speaking of autopilot, once you click on Run Automation, results will start popping up on your screen in real time. You don't need to wait for the entire search to be completed. Respona will actually send you an email once it's ready. Once the automation is done, you can move to the final step, review and launch. Here, you can review your AI variables and of course make any manual edits that you want to. In addition to email addresses, Respona also finds the LinkedIn profiles of your prospects. We recommend also sending them a connection request on LinkedIn just to create another touch point and increase the chances of getting a reply. Once the pre-launch checks are complete and the campaign is running, all that's left for you to do is look out for responses. And to wrap it up, that will be the infographic outreach strategy. Just basically good old blogger outreach, but with extra steps in the form of creating visual content.